Hello. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a basic point evidence analysis research paper outline. So first, let's start with the topic that is on the top right of the screen. The topic is, what are ways that we can help protect the environment? So when we get started with this, we're going to want to first choose our 3 points that we're going to want to focus on. So for instance, for point number 1, we could do something along the lines of recycling. So we could just write recycle up there. For point number 2, we could do something along the lines of conserving energy. And lastly, for point number 3, we could do something like planting a tree. All right, so now that we have our 3 points that we want to focus on, we're going to want to gain some evidence or some research on these 3 topics. And the best way to do that is to type in relevant things into Google, as we can see on the left hand of our screen here. I've already gone ahead and looked up some websites regarding these 3 topics. So the first one is recycling. This is a recycling fact website that shows you all the facts about aluminum recycling, paper recycling, plastic recycling, and glass recycling. So let's focus on plastic recycling. It says Americans use 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. So we could use that as our evidence for this part. And so we could write in 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. And then for analysis, why is this relevant? This is what the analysis part of this is. So we could do something along the lines of, by recycling, we can save twice as much energy as burning it like we do with trash. And so this type of analysis is good in 2 ways. It helps you bring home the point that you are trying to make about recycling, but not only that, it'll help you transition into your second point, which is conserving energy. So I typed in energy facts into Google, and this is a site I came up with. Why is it so important? And the evidence for this one is that we use non-renewable energy, which is a very scary thing. And the analysis on this, on why it's important, is that this means one day we will run out. And for our last point, we did plant a tree. And so I was curious how many trees we cut down every year. And as we can see on the page, it says 3.6 billion. So if we scroll right here, 3.6 billion trees. Billion trees are cut down per year. And the analysis for this is that trees take a long time to grow, and by planting a tree, we are looking out for a better future. All right, so this is a basic way on how you could start an outline for a point evidence analysis research paper. So I hope this helped and finding some topics along the lines of this. And I hope this helped you today, and thank you and have a good day.